Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Songbird, currently trading for $0.018. Is the dump over for Songbird right now in the bear market? This altcoin is up more than 82% in the last 1 week. In the last 1 month, we've seen Songbird go up more than 50%. Should we start piling on to Songbird right now? Is the bottom in? Are we going to start pumping to higher prices? How high can Songbird go in this relief rally we're having right now in the altcoin market? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Songbird US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at Songbird's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Guys, how high can this relief rally go? The altcoin market has been rallying the upside. Let's not forget, we're still deep in the bear market. Is the bottom in for Songbird right now, where we're going to face resistance when we're pumping to the upside? We're going to be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is a channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The Songbird has been dumping to Goblin Town in the last 1 year. We've seen it lose more than 87% of its value in the last 1 year. But right now, the Songbird is having a nice time on the monthly time frame and also on a weekly time frame. We've seen this altcoin pumping in 2023. 2022 was a very terrible year for altcoins. We saw the Songbird start 2022 on a down note, going from as high as $0.53, dumping to Goblin Town, getting to as low as the $0.0096 level, losing more than 98% of its value. But guys, we can't keep dumping forever. At some point in time, we're going to get the pump to the upside, and this is the highest we've seen the Songbird RSI go on a 3-day time frame since when it was launched. We had a little dump in December 2021, and that dump took us to the lowest we've ever seen the RSI. But right now, we're seeing the opposite of what happened when we were dumping to Goblin Town. We are seeing a pump to the upside, and the Songbird is currently facing its first resistance level. If we're successful going above the $0.018 level, guys, it might just be kumbaya. We might just see the Songbird rallying up to the next resistance level, where we might face possible rejection, which is around the $0.047 region. If you have been holding the Songbird since when it was dumping to Goblin Town, right now is the time for you to have a little smile on your face. But guys, let's not forget the big time picture. Even though we're pumping on the weekly time frame and on the monthly time frame, on a yearly time frame, we're still down with Goblin Town. And if you're accumulating some Songbird right now, you should be accumulating it, getting ready for the next bull run. If you want to make those huge gains in crypto, you want to play the long game, you want to be accumulating deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run. I'm not saying you should not be happy with seeing your altcoin going up 80% in the last 1 week or 70% in the last 1 month, but ultimately the final target is seeing the Songbird getting to new all-time highs, even pumping above $1 in the future. From where the Songbird is right now, for it to go to new all-time highs, we have to see this altcoin pump up more than 3,600%. And guys, by the end of the next bull run, I believe that will happen, but we'll have to take it a step at a time. Right now, we're not even sure the bottom is in. The Songbird has gotten to as low as the $0.0096 level in this bear market. We might just have one final dump to the downside. We might see it come down to test the $0.0097 region. And if that level doesn't hold, we'll set new all-time lows. And after we do that, a lot of people will say, you know what? We can never pump to the upside. Nothing's going to happen again. And boom, you see the Songbird pumping to the moon. This is the highest pump I've seen in the Songbird since when it was dumping to Goblin Town. We saw a rally in May 2022. That rally went up 141%. We saw another rally earlier in 2022 where the Songbird went up 130%. But right now, we have seen the Songbird go from the lows that's pumped up more than 119%. So maybe we'll continue rallying to higher prices. From where Songbird is currently trading right now, if we're pumping to the next resistance level, we'll see the Songbird rally up more than 153%, which will mean a total pump from the bottom of more than 387%. The fact that when the bear market doesn't mean we're not going to get some pumps to the upside. At some point in time, the market will have to react. We have been seeing it dump in 2022. I expect us to see a rally in 2023. Luckily for us, that rally is happening at the beginning of the year. But be careful, guys, out there. Altcoins are very sneaky in the bear market. As you're buying these altcoins, you don't want to go all in because they can still dump to Goblin Town. That's how volatile altcoins are. We like them because when they start pumping, they can pump really well to the upside. But let's not forget, if they start dumping, they can dump really well to the downside. If we take a look at some details about Songbird, currently has a fully diluted market cap of $301 million and a market cap of $186 million. Total supply of over 16 billion tokens, but more than 9.9 billion of those tokens are in circulation. Currently rank over 2,655 on CoinMarketCap. More than 29,000 people have Songbird on their watch list. And in the last 1 year, we've seen the Songbird go from as high as $0.2 to as low as $0.00098. The Songbird is the canary network for Flare, the blockchain built for universal connectivity, the Flare's blockchain interoperable primitive, Flare state connector, bringing better bridging, full cross-chain compatibility, and seamless decentralization with Web2 data. It allows Flares to come to consensus on external dates, making it possible to trustlessly acquire and use information from both on and off-chain sources, solving the Oracle problem and opening the door to new era of utility. Where can you get some Songbird right now if you want to get some in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? You can get this altcoin on Kraken, on Bitfinex, on Bitstamp, on Gate.io, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. The Songbird will not continue pumping to the moon. At some point in time, we're going to get some pullbacks. So we'll be prepping for those pullbacks, for us to see pumps to the higher side, for us to see Songbird rallying up to higher prices. We have to be comfortable with the ideas that at some point in time, we're going to get some pullbacks. Maybe the pullbacks will not come back to test the lows. Maybe it will just be a pullback for us to gather enough momentum to pump to the upside. But ultimately, you want to be prepared. Guys, take a look at the Songbaird's performance against Bitcoin. Even though we've rallied to higher prices in the last 1 week and the last 1 month, we're still down in Goblin Town. We still have a lot of work to do if we are to see the Songbird set new all-time highs against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Against Bitcoin, the Songbird will need to pump an additional 128% to set new all-time highs. Against Ethereum, the Songbird will have to rally up to the moon by more than 1,000% to also set new all-time highs. We have to take what the market has given us, and right now the market is showing us that the Songbird is erasing most of the losses we have made since September 2022. And if this rally continues, we'll see the Songbird rallying against Bitcoin by just more than 140%. We'll see it erase all the losses we made since February 2022. And if this relief rally continues to the moon, guys, we might even see the Songbird rallying up more than like 200% from where we're currently trading against Bitcoin. But let's not get carried away. Ultimately, the Songbird might continue dumping to Goblin Town against Bitcoin. If you take a look at the RSI right here, this is the highest we've seen the Songbird RSI against Bitcoin. It's also the highest we've seen the Songbird RSI against Ethereum. So maybe, just maybe, we'll get to the end of the rally for the Songbird. But guys, in the bear market, the normal thing you want to be thinking about is accumulating. You don't want to get distracted by all these pumps in the side here and there. There's going to be some pumps along the way, but ultimately, if you're holding the Songbird till it gets to new all-time highs, if you're holding the Songbird till the end of the next bull run, we might see the Songbird getting to as high as $2.7. Right now in the bear market, even though you'll be happy with seeing the pumps to the upside, you want to be thinking of accumulating from where the Songbird is currently trading. For us to even get to that new all-time highs around the $2.9 level by the end of the next bull run, the Songbird will have to go up over 15,000%, which means $1,000 invested in the Songbird right now should return more than $155,000 if we see the Songbird trading around the $2.9 region in future. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see the Songbird heading to in the next week, in the next month, in the early phase of 2023? Do you think we're going to see this rally continue to the upside? Or are we setting ourselves up for one final dump to the downside? How high do you think the Songbird can go in this rally? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.